Alright, if you didn't know, you should have already knew. It was gonna come. The horchata iced latte. If you seen the video when I made the horchata, then yeah. If you didn't see it, it ain't too late. But watch this first. Then head on over there. Still got my horchata. And yeah, I got it in this. You must have seen the previous video when I made it. Ain't no shame. I ain't gonna say in my game, because it's not a game. I ain't playing. This serious. This real life. Ain't no shame. Now I'm gonna take my cinnamon syrup. This is not to put inside the drink or anything. So I already made the horchata, it should be already sweet. But this is pretty much to line the rim. I don't have any more sweet condensed milk, so I'm gonna use this. I just need something sticky. So I'm gonna put a little bit in my bowl. Alright, I'm gonna take my brush, dip it inside this, and just line the rim up. So this is how it look. Okay, I have my previous rice that I use as well. I'm gonna pour it in my plate now. I'm gonna sprinkle in a little bit of my cinnamon. Alright, and I just wanna brim it. It smells so good. Alright, see how it's lying on there? Okay, I'm gonna make my coffee. I already have some coffee and milk from when I made the coffee ice. However, I feel like this is not as potent. That's why I'm going to put in a little bit more of my, well, that's why I'm going to put in the packet of my coffee. Okay, I'm going to put some salt in. Like this color. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and assemble. I have my coffee icing. I'm going to take my horchata in this jug and go ahead and pour it. Now, I usually will put it together, like shake up the coffee with the horchata milk. However, I'm gonna just do it differently this time. We put in my coffee milk after. Alright, I want to put in my ready whip. Sprinkle on some more cinnamon, as well as the rest of the coffee. Alright, everybody. This looks good. Let me get into it. Sit around this time. It's time to shake the coffee up with it. Good. Just like I thought it would. At first I was just tasting the horchata. I'm like, okay, the coffee is there. You taste it a little bit more at the bottom. Now if I probably would have like shook it with it, it's good. Taste the creaminess and the little sweetness of the horchata, and then add it with the espresso. Delicioso. That it is. You know, it still got that cinnamon taste from, baby, this is delicious. Now, which one do I like? This cool was acting like it was MJ doing a moonwalk. Cause why you sliding back like that? What's on there? Since I got some milk and coffee left over, I'm actually gonna add the horchata with it and then shake it. You know how you like when you work full time and part time? That part time, even though you like the part time hours, but do you like that part time pay? No, you like the full time, even though you don't like the full time hours, but you like the full time pay though. I need you to fully cooperate this. Don't halfway me. Alright, and put the rest inside. I think I like it when it's incorporated like this. Both ways so good though. Which one I like the best? My horchata and not everybody else's. The one that I reviewed them. Not that. The one I made. My horchata, or do I like my horchata with the espresso? I thought I would like this more because of the espresso. Right? I think it's a 10.5. The other one, you guys see what I rated it, but 10.5, baby. please make this recipe. You want a delicious horchata, not trying to shade nobody else who did horchatas. Whatever platform, it don't matter if it was Food Network. Even though in the food, it's a baby. How you say drink is baby? Even though it's a baby, not beer. Baby. You feel me? Not trying to shade them, but I'm trying to shine the light on how good mine is. Cause it is. Hit this recipe.